Yeah, hello everyone. How are you today? Yeah, my dear listeners, my dear friends, my dear subscribers, my dear winners all around the world. I remain myself Adetokunbo Mike from the Genius FS. I'm here again to show you, to reveal another strategy settings to you, which I call NISA Mobile Strategy Settings Revealing. NISA Mobile Strategy Settings Revealed. Yeah, like I said, I'm going to be showing you some of the hidden strategy settings. I'll be revealing their settings to you. So I'm showing you NISA Mobile Strategy today. Firstly, let's go to our F sign. Okay, when you get to your F sign, you click on your F sign. As you can see, you click on your F sign. The first indicator used here is fractal. Okay, we use fractal. We use Bollinger bands. So fractal comes by default. Fractal comes by default, and then you click done. We use Bollinger bands. Here is our Bollinger bands here. The period is 101, and then we have 101. Deviation is 0.450. Shift is 2. You apply to close, and then you click done. Then your levels. Here is our levels here. From 0.1, 0.2, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, then minus 0.1, minus 0.2, minus 0.3, minus 0.4. Then we later add 0.5, then minus 0.5. When you click done, okay, it will look like this. Okay, so now the next Bollinger band, I mean this one, the next Bollinger band, okay, you click it. That's a period 102, deviation 0.450, shift you apply to 2, apply to close, then level. The level is 0.5 minus 0.5, then any color of your choice, then you click done. Okay, so we have a parabolic. We use 9 parabolic. That's why we call it NISA Mobile Strategy. We use 9 parabolic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that is why we call it a NISA Mobile Strategy. That is 9 parabolic SAR. Okay, so the first settings is step is 0.0091. Max is the same thing, 0.0091. Okay, the next one is step is 0.0092. Max is 0.0092. You click done. The next one is step is 0.0093. Max is 0.0093. You click done. Any color of your choice. The next one is step is 0.90094. Max is 0.90094. The next one is 0.0095, 0.0096. The next one is 0.0096, 0.0096. The next one is 0.0097, 0.0097. The next one is 0.0098, 0.0098. And then the next one, step is 0.0099, max is 0.0099. Then you click done. Now you go back to your chart. It will look like this, guys. It will look like this. Okay, it will look like this. This is your parabolic SAR. The black line on your chart is your parabolic SAR. Okay, as you can see, these are parabolic SAR. Let me show you one R. These are parabolic SAR. As you can see, these long black lines are parabolic SAR. Okay, so this is how to use it to catch pips. And then let me show you. This is our Bollinger band. The both first one and the second one are into each other, as you can see them. And the small dot is our fractals. Okay, I'm going to tell us how it works. I will explain how it works in details. So this strategy works best on 15 minutes. Let me show you 15 minutes. Okay, it works best on 5 minutes as well. As you can see, if you follow the rules, it will work for you. It works best on 30 minutes. It works best on 4 hours. As you can see, it works best on 1 hour. As you can see, let me use this 1 hour before I go to 30 minutes and 15 minutes. Now, this is how to use this to trade forex, to catch pips in the financial market. Okay, yeah, as you can see, trend is coming from up. Okay, reach this side, which is our oversold. Now coming back, cross these Bollinger bands, okay, and hit this parabolic. Once market hits the parabolic will change direction towards down. Okay, this is where you will enter your position. You enter your trade from here. You enter your trade from here, and you will put your stop loss here. Guys, don't think the drawdown is too much. You have to put your stop loss there, okay, and then you continue to ride the trade. Let me show you this falling. Now look at it. Market is coming up, reach this overbought zone, come back, cross this Bollinger band, okay, market hit this parabolic, and the direction of the parabolic change to up. Okay, this is where you will enter your market. You put your stop loss here at the last higher high. Okay, then you ride the trade as long as you can. My dear brother, my dear sisters, my dear listeners all around the world, if market did not hit parabolic, as you can see, it came, but it didn't hit it around here. You continue to hold. As long as this parabolic is longer, it will continue to be giving you profit. Let me show you another buy opportunity. Okay, you enter your trade from here. Okay, you put your stop loss here. Just make sure that make sure that your price action hit the parabolic. Once your price action is parabolic, it will change direction. Now you put your stop loss here. Now let me tell you the reason why you have to put your stop loss here. Okay, when parabolic got hit here, market a little bit go up and retrace back here. Look at it, retrace back here before it came back up in a very powerful way. If you don't put your stop loss here, it might hit you out and later go back up. Okay, so make sure you put your stop loss at that last edge, at this highest, the last higher, lower low. This is the last lower low. Okay, let me show you another. See, this is a very powerful strategy. I don't joke with it. That's why I hide the settings. But now I don't have choice than to reveal it, because there is happiness, there is joy in my heart. So, and I love people. So, and I need to release this for people to benefit from it. As long as this parabolic is, okay, as long it is, it will be giving you profit. As you can see, this is where the movement begins. Let me show you here. This is where the movement begins. Okay, I'm going to enter my trade from here after the parabolic got hit and the price action crossed this the Bollinger bands. I'm going to enter my market and put my stop loss here. Okay, guys, I'm going to put it there. I won't bother how long or how far the drawdown is. Now look at this. When market gave me profit a little bit, it retraced back, hit this parabolic. Okay, it retraced back and hit this parabolic. This is the first entry I put on. I hold my trade. It did not touch this my first stop loss. The market came back to my favor. This is 1 hour, guys. At this very angle, there is a big ranging. Okay, so after the big ranging, market fall big time. So I will continue to hold the trade. As you can see, if I were you, look at it from here. I put my stop loss here. Market came back. It didn't hit my stop loss. Return back, come back, return back, come back, return back, come back, return back. Now look at it from here. It's a very massive profit. As you can see, that is 1 hour time frame. Let me show you 30-minute time frame. Look at 30-minute time frame here. This is 30 minutes. I'm going to show you this. Look at it. I will enter my position from here. I'll put my stop loss here. If I were you, the market continues to go in my direction. As you can see, it's a banger. Let me show you 15-minute chart. This is 15-minute chart, guys. I'm going to enter my trade from here and put my stop loss here, and I will continue to ride the trade. As long as this parabolic, the black line, the black long line on our chart continues to grow, I'll continue to be holding my position. Now look at this. This is a banger. I will enter my trade from here. Then I'm going to put my stop loss here. Let me remove this. I will enter my trade from here. I'll put my stop loss here, and I will continue to ride the trade. This is 30 minutes. Let me show you 1 hour time. 15 minute time frame. Let me show you 5-minute time frame. Same thing happens here. This is 5-minute time frame. Okay, is a very, very good strategy if you follow the rules only. If you follow the rules only, this strategy is a banger. This strategy is a banger. As you can see, I made a lot of money from here before I started putting it online and then making people to benefit from it. Thanks you for listening to me. I remain myself Ade Tokunbo from the Genius FS. I love you all. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and keep liking my page. Bye.